set comes with everything that you'll need to make really great mixed drinks, so I know that you are going to end up impressing your friends and family with what you're able to create. I know that was the case for me. I definitely looked fancy and professional while I was mixing drinks, and I got some compliments. I have the set in gold, but it also comes in black, rose gold, and silver. It's all made of stainless steel and is dishwasher safe, which is always really important to me. The set includes the cocktail shaker, the strainer, 2 pouring spouts that you can put right on the top of bottles, the double-sided jigger, which is 1 ounce, this muddler, a really nice bottle opener, this spoon for mixing that has a little fork on the other side, and this set of ice tongs. And then all of those components fit really nicely into this real mahogany wooden stand. And I love this touch. It also comes with a cocktail recipe book that goes over many different classic cocktails to give you an idea of what you can mix up. I was definitely impressed with the quality of the set, and I know that you're really gonna like it too.